Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be making the best birria tacos. Guys, this is an amazing Mexican recipe that you guys just have to try. It is so delicious. Alright, so these are the list of the ingredients that I'll be using, and they will also be in the description box with the measurements. So here I am de-seeding my chili peppers. Make sure to get all the seeds out, just like that. And then we'll place it in a pot of water to rehydrate the peppers. All right, just like that. Then I place the peppers in a ninja bullet. Then I add some chipotle peppers, some fresh tomatoes, some fresh cilantro and garlic, and I blend until it looks like this. It smells amazing, guys. So there, I'm using just beef here, and I'll be seasoning this. I'll also leave the ingredients that I use for this in the description box also, or you can season to your likeness as well. All right, and I'm just using about 2 pounds. It's really not a lot. 2 pounds of beef. Allowed it to marinate for about 30 minutes. Then I preheat my pan. I did add about 2 tablespoons of oil, and I sear it on both sides, just like that. Look at that, absolutely amazing. You can eat that is. So here I am adding some onions in the very pot. Give that a good stir. Allow this to cook for about a minute. Then you go in with your garlic. Give that a good stir also. Then we'll add our tomato sauce. Looks absolutely amazing. And the peppers we would have pureed earlier. Awesome. And then we'll place the meat in that mixture. Add some cilantro. Make sure the seasoning is right. I did add thyme and cinnamon stick. Cover and cook for 3 hours in a 400 degrees oven. Then I remove the beef and place it on a plate. It smells, oh my gosh, guys. I wish you guys can smell my kitchen right now. It is so amazing. Then I'll use 2 forks and pull the meat apart. It is so tender, it falls right, like little to no effort here is needed. Look at that. Just melt in your mouth. Absolutely amazing. Then I did add a little bit of cilantro here, and then I set aside. So the remainder of the juice in the pot I pour in a plate, and then I'll take the tortilla, dunk it in here on both sides. Make sure to coat it really well. I will not be using any oil in the pan. I'll be cooking this in, so make sure to get all that juices on there, and then I'm gonna place it in a preheated pan. All right, then I add the shredded meat. Then I add the cheese. Be generous with it, guys. I did add some cilantro, and I fold and cook for about 2 minutes in each sides. Here, this one I did add a little bit of cheese first, then I add the meat, and then I add a little bit more cheese, some cilantro, fold, cook, remove. Simple, easy peasy, my son would say. So I hope you guys try this recipe. It's absolutely amazing, totally delicious. All right, thank you guys so much for spending the time with me today. Do not forget to hit that subscribe button. Please share this video. Thank you again. See you on the next one. Bye-bye.